Today, we're diving into the captivating world of budgie type names. Find out your budgie type name and get knowledge of budgies type.
Blue Yellow Face Budgie. Our first budgie in this video is the stunning Blue Yellow Face Budgie, a true gem among bird enthusiasts. With its vibrant blue plumage and striking yellow face, this beauty effortlessly captivates hearts. Known for their playful and affectionate nature, Blue Yellow Face Budgies make delightful companions for anyone seeking a touch of sunshine in their lives. Banded Budgie. Next up, we have the charismatic Banded Budgie. With distinct horizontal stripes adorning their feathers, these budgies are a sight to behold. Their unique markings make them stand out in any flock, showcasing individuality and style like no other. Banded budgies are known for their energetic personality and love for interactive play, making them perfect companions for those seeking lively entertainment. Recessive Pied Budgie. Now, let's explore the enchanting world of Recessive Pied Budgies. These feathered wonders exhibit a captivating pattern of clear or lightly colored feathers amidst a sea of vibrant plumage. Their charming appearances are complemented by their gentle and affectionate nature, making Recessive Pied Budgies a cherished addition to any budgie lovers. Wing Budgie. Prepare to be amazed by the delicate beauty of the Wing Budgie. With their intricate lace-like patterns on their wings, these budgies are true masterpieces of nature. Their ethereal appearance is matched only by their sweet and gentle temperament. Wing Budgies are a true testament to the elegance and grace found within the budgie world. Dilute Budgie. Feast your eyes on the dreamy hues of the Dilute Budgie. These birds possess a soft and muted color palette, giving them a serene and ethereal quality. Their gentle nature and calm demeanor make them perfect companions for those seeking tranquility and peace in their lives. Embrace the soothing presence of a Dilute Budgie and let their serene beauty wash over you. Full Body Budgie. Get ready to witness the magnificence of the Full Body Budgie. These birds boast an impressive feather coverage that extends all the way down to their feet, giving them a regal and majestic appearance. With their striking plumage and confident demeanor, Full Body Budgies demand attention wherever they go. Experience the grandeur of these majestic creatures and let their presence fill your heart.
More remarkable budgie type names await. The magnificent type names we've explored so far are just the beginning. Stay tuned for our upcoming video, where we'll reveal even more significant budgie type names. If you've enjoyed this video, support by subscribing to our channel and ringing the notification bell. You won't miss out on the excitement of our future content. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and we sincerely appreciate your time and viewership. Stay tuned for more.